What's going on, guys? It is your host, the Broke Consumer, here to bring you lovely people, I'm sorry, y'all broke people, a new video. Without further ado, let's get to it. Today's video is my first impression on the OnePlus 6T.
Yo, shit is real, dog. You know, that's it. You know.
Now, I didn't want to just rush out with a video like a lot of other people did. Not throwing no shade, of course, I'm saying. I didn't want to rush out with a video. I wanted to use it for a little bit, get my hands on it, and really, say how I feel about the phone. My real first impressions. Now, I know first impression means you just run up and, first thing. But when it comes to a phone, you gotta really check out everything for your say first impression. It's not a review, but it's my first impression of the phone itself. Now, I just got back from New York, as you can tell apart from the intro of this video, and I got this phone here. This is the T-Mobile version, but it will be unlocked. I have to pay for it in full. And I gotta say, guys, this here is a gorgeous phone. Just looking at it first, comparing it to the 6, the chin, a little bit smaller, the bezel, beautiful. Now this is how I would implement a notch. If you want to put a notch onto a phone, this is exactly how it should look. They got this, bathroom. You ever look at your faucet in the bathroom when it's dripping down some water? That's exactly what this notch looks like. You got that bathroom water teardrop looking thing going, and I love it. I think it looks great on the phone. Really, this is how a full screen phone should look, or a bezel-less phone should look, and it looks great. I love the look a lot. Other than that, it looks just like the OnePlus 6. There's literally no difference. You turn this thing around. If you had the gloss back before, the gloss black before, like I did, it looks like the same exact phone. Shoot, they even gave me the same exact case, to be honest, as a OnePlus 6. But it's neither here or there. Still a great looking phone. One thing I did notice though, obviously we all know the elephant in the room. There's no headphone jack. Unfortunately, OnePlus decided that since we got new features that are going to be beneficial, they needed some space. One of the things they had to chop away was the headphone jack, unfortunately, but that's okay. They came and they gave us an adapter included. Good enough, I guess. Now I got 2 Bluetooth wireless headphone sets. I'm probably not going to use it as much, but it's good to have it there. But if you're in the car, you're stuck using aux, you don't have Bluetooth, you're not fancy. I'm not fancy, I don't have Bluetooth in my car. So I'm going to need the headphone jack adapter, which is great. But let's get back to the phone. Now we're going to talk about a few things. One, phone right here is special. The reason why it's special is because they implemented something that hasn't been implemented yet in a mainstream phone, and that is an in-display fingerprint reader. This in-display fingerprint reader is just real quick, as you can tell. Boom, unlock. I'm sorry, I was actually embarrassed. I promise you, this thing works really well. Just right now, at this very moment, it's being difficult. Yo, son. Wow, 2 seconds, guys. I'm so sorry. Alright, yeah, so it works really well, I promise you. It's the way that it works, right? So you have OLED display. OLED displays, it can choose which spots it wants to brighten up. So with a fingerprint reader, it's settled. It's right at the bottom middle of the screen. So how it works is it just brightens up that section right there. The light, it uses light to read your fingerprint, recognize it, and that's how it unlocks it. And it works extremely well. There's another company that has done this, but their implementation is very slow. This OnePlus, they pride themselves on adding new features to a phone, but making sure it actually works well. This one works really well. It's very innovative, at least in my eyes. It only makes sense. If you're gonna have a full screen phone, you should be able to unlock the phone and not have to rely on your face. But that's okay, because I actually like the face unlock. OnePlus has one of the best, in my opinion, best face unlock on any phone. I know the iPhone 10, it works extremely well, the 10s, 10R, whatever other 10s there are. But on this phone, at least on the Android side, this is the fastest. Boom, just like that, turns right on. Just like that. I didn't even see the home screen. my Note 9, my $1,000 Note 9. Turn it on. Still not working. There we go. Finally it worked. OnePlus, each time they add a feature on the phone, make sure they do it well. Face unlock, extremely fast, does it well. Fingerprint reader, does it well, extremely fast. One of the other features I really love on this phone is the double tap to awake. And if you're not a stranger to OnePlus, you know about this already. You're not a stranger to this. Double tap, wake the phone up. But what I wish OnePlus did what LG has been doing for a while now. I realized they were doing this when I first bought my G4. They have double tap to wake. They also have double tap to shut off. That's useful for when, let's say, you work an office job, you're trying to sneak by, your boss is coming by, you double tap real quick, turn the phone on, send them a message, double tap real quick, shut it right off. No one saying nothing. Get a little crazy, not fussing around trying to hurry up. It's just real smooth, real slick. Turn it on, turn it off. Easy, done. And I think that would have been the best way to do it. Unfortunately, OnePlus does not have that, but it's okay because we have the awakes. You can't be too greedy. And I mean, my first impression of the phone really got. Oh, I forgot the camera.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna go too in depth about the camera just yet. I took a few shots and I took a video just to see the differences of, let's say, the $1,000 Note 9 and this 500 and this is the 8K version. I think it's $580, $580 phone right here. In terms of the cameras and everything, to see what's the real difference. There are some differences. The camera is still a great camera. One of the things that they actually added on with this new 16 is it's a new night HDR mode or whatever. It's supposed to, you're supposed to really get really good low light photography. That's something that a lot of people complains about when it came to the 6. And so they found a way by software to really help us take nighttime photos. And what I saw at the event, nighttime photos were fantastic. I haven't got a chance to take nighttime photos with this phone yet, but I have tested out the portrait mode, which works extremely well. I'm forgetting the photographer's name. They have some crazy, fancy, really famous portrait photographer at the event, and he actually helped them design the portrait mode that the new OnePlus 16 has. And the great thing about all this is that all that software for the camera is actually going to the 6. So shout out to OnePlus for doing that. I'm still looking down the OnePlus 6 users. Because it has the same camera, same exact camera. We just found out that a lot of the things that people were complaining about was kind of user error. I'm not going to say user error, but since everyone's we're all not photographers. So unless you were a pro and you went to the pro settings, you know what to do, you're going to take the photos that they were taking. So they found a way to kind of help the average person out. So I think it's dope. Of all the photos I saw, I'll probably post a few that I did. If it's good enough. If not, I'll post a few that was actually taken with the OnePlus from other people that look amazing. And I guess we'll see that. Now guys, this phone, battery life. Battery life on this phone, I'm pretty sure it's amazing. I haven't killed it yet. Right now it's at 84%. I did some light gaming and everything, but nothing too crazy. But I did have my OnePlus 6 that was a 3300 milliamp battery. This phone is a 16, although it's the same exact size, it's a 3700 milliamp battery. So I seen crazy numbers when it came to the 6. Some of the the 5T and the 6 were the first phones where I could go outside and not worry about battery life. Because I knew how much battery it was going to have. I knew it was going to last more than enough for the whole day. This phone is going to be no different, I'm pretty sure. It has 400 extra milliamps of battery. Same processor as the 6. Same amount of RAM. At least, well, not in my case, because now I got the 8. When I had the 6, I had the 6 gigs, so I got the 8. But shouldn't be that much different. I'm expecting at least 6.5 hours of on-screen time. At the least 6 at all times. I'm pretty sure I could hit 7. I hit 7 hours on the Note 9 a couple of times. But that has a 4,000 milliamp battery and a lot of things going for it. This phone, I expect big numbers. I'm expecting to hit 7 no matter what, at least. I'm gonna hit 7. And I'm pretty excited about that. One of the things, I know it's the first impressions and all that, but I really did love OnePlus. I got the Note 9 and I got rid of my 5T and my 6 and I immediately regretted it. Using this phone, I'm afraid that I'm gonna want to go back to OnePlus. Not that it's a bad hiccups that's going on with my Note 9. I don't know what's wrong with it. Sometimes we get crazy, but I still love the phone. I still love the form factor, and I love the stylus. But the OnePlus value is just crazy. So when I was looking at this phone, just know my first impression, I love it. It is a great phone. If you buy it, you're not gonna be upset. Again, this is not a review. I gotta stress that as much as possible. Not a review. Our review will come out in a few days after I get more use out of using the phone. But it's just to let you know that so far it's been going so good for the first day, baby. And again, anyone that has a review out is not taking enough time to actually use the phone. But I'll let you guys know soon. Anyways, my name is The Broke Consumer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.